I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Hamburgers are the epitome of backyard grilling. Yet despite their simplicity, making the perfect burger can be challenging to do. Hey everyone, if you're tired of serving up dry, shrunken burgers that get lost in the bun, you're not alone. In this video, I'm breaking down the most common mistakes that ruin hamburgers and how to avoid them for juicy and delicious burgers every time. Let's face it, there's nothing more frustrating than starting out with a big, beautiful burger patty and ending up with something that looks like it belongs in a kid's meal. Burgers shrink as they lose moisture and fat while cooking. But it's not just about shrinkage, it's about texture and flavor too. Overcooking, improper seasoning, and poor meat choices can ruin a burger. Thankfully, these mistakes are easy to fix. Here are the 10 most common burger mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, using the wrong meat. When it comes to burgers, leaner is not better. A burger needs some fat because fat is what makes it juicy and gives it flavor. Too lean and your burger will end up dry. For juicy burgers, go for 80-20 ground beef. That's 80% lean meat and 20% fat. Mistake number 2, overhandling the meat. Overworking the meat when forming the patties can lead to tough, dense burgers. Handle the ground meat as little as possible. Mistake number 3, making the patties too small. Burgers shrink when they cook, so make the burger patties bigger than the bun. A 5.5-inch patty will fit nicely on a 4-inch bun, with a little overhang when cooked. Mistake number 4, not using a burger press. Use a light touch when forming the patties, shaping them into loose balls before gently pressing them into shape. Use a burger press to shape and flatten the meat in one motion to make a patty with uniform thickness. Also, season the meat after forming the patties, not before. Mistake number 5, not cleaning and preparing the grill grates. Before you fire up your grill, clean the grates first. You don't want whatever is stuck on there to become part of your burger. Using the right grill brush is important. Use a brush made of loops of wire like this one. Don't use a grill brush made with short pieces of wire. People have been hurt by ingesting little pieces of wire that broke off, stuck to the grates, and then stuck to the burgers. Mistake number 6, not preheating the grill. One of the biggest mistakes is not properly preheating the grill. If the grill isn't hot enough, the burger will cook too slowly and will dry out. Make sure the grill is hot before adding those patties. Mistake number 7, flipping the burger too many times. Flipping the burger frequently can cause it to lose its juices and shrink. Place a patty on the grill and let it stay there undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip it one time. Mistake number 8, pushing down on the patty. It's tempting to press down on the patty with a spatula while cooking, but this just squeezes out all of the juices and results in a dry burger. Allow it to cook undisturbed, flipping it only once halfway through the cooking process. Mistake number 9, overcooking. Whether on a grill or a griddle, leaving the burger on for too long can turn it from juicy and flavorful to dry and tough in a matter of seconds. Cook at medium-high heat, 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and use an instant read meat thermometer to check for 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature for safe burgers. Mistake number 10, using cheese food instead of real cheese. Processed cheese food slices have no place on a backyard burger. They lack the depth of flavor and melting quality of real cheese. Also, they often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors. Use real cheese like Monterey Jack, Pepper Jack, Swiss, or American cheese to enhance the flavor of your burgers. Also, cheese should be added 1 minute after flipping the burger because it needs time to melt. Once your burger hits an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off and let it rest for a few minutes to lock in those juices. Look at that, juicy, plump, and cooked to perfection. Cooking the perfect burger is not hard to do. Avoid these mistakes and make better burgers. Hey, I have a new cookbook coming out. Go to my website at amzn.to and sign up to get notified when it becomes available. No spam, I promise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.